If you have issues with Hotspot not working properly on the Realme Note 70T, then here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to Settings, and let's open Connection and Sharing, and let's open Personal Hotspot. Over here, of course, you should be able to find Hotspot Settings. So before we turn on our hotspot, we can go to Hotspot Settings and check out what we can do. Remember that if no device is connected to your hotspot, then your hotspot can automatically turn off after 10 minutes if this option is, of course, enabled. So keep that in mind. But one of the many reasons why, for example, your hotspot cannot be found on another device might be due to the AP band over here. And if you use 5.0 gigahertz band, then of course this can be the reason why your hotspot is not available on other devices. So you can switch to 2.4 gigahertz in case you changed that option. There is also the extend compatibility option, which helps other devices find this hotspot, but it reduces the hotspot connection speed. So you might want to make sure that it is enabled to make sure that the compatibility is pretty much granted for other devices. Now, besides that, if you enable the personal hotspot, you can also find the QR code generator. So you can go ahead and open the QR code so that other devices can scan it instead of entering the password. Of course, as long as you can scan the QR code. So this can also be quite helpful because you don't have to look for the Wi-Fi on the list of networks, and you don't have to enter the password, and so on and so forth. So just use the QR code if you can. And remember that, unfortunately, if you use the hotspot, then Wi-Fi is disabled. Unfortunately, we cannot share the Wi-Fi by using our portable or personal hotspot. We can only use the mobile data. So this might also be the reason why your hotspot is not working correctly. Just double check if your mobile data is set up properly, if you can actually use mobile data, of course. Make sure that it is enabled, make sure that the correct SIM card is selected if you have 2 SIM cards, and that's pretty much it. So, by the way, there's also one more thing that you can do. You can go to System and Update and open Reset Phone, and over here we can reset network and Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate these 3 things, so we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. So if you decide to reset, you will reset all of this. So you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network as well as your Bluetooth devices. So keep that in mind. But this is more related to the mobile data itself rather than the hotspot. But of course, since we can only share the access by using our mobile data, this can also be quite helpful. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.